Hey everyone, decided to do a quick Target beauty box. I got 3 of them here, just filming it really quick in my room. Hopefully the lighting is okay for you guys. I have a little makeshift lighting area actually on my bed. So let's get to it. This is the February edition. It's supposed to be a bunch of stuff of February edition, a whole bunch of like Valentine's Day themed things. Ignore my nails, they are a mess. This box, February, pucker up. Target Beauty is out. They get little cute samples and stuff. So I got some random ones. I do have 2 others here that I'm gonna do on a separate video. So you'll also find reviews for these items eventually. First thing we get, Burt's Bees PME colored 100% natural lip shimmer. These are slightly colored. They wear like a lip balm, so I actually really like these. I do have them in other colors. I don't have this color, and I actually think I really love this color. It's pretty. So yeah, these go on very smooth, and they kind of have a minty hint to them. They're natural. They give you natural color, so it doesn't look too fake. It has a slight shimmer. If you like shimmers, if you don't like mattes or things that have lip balm texture, you won't like these. But I actually love these. One of the reasons I went to try that box, actually. Next one is St. Ives Lip Scrub Sweet Passion Fruit. This is the full size, I believe, from my understanding. Made with 100% natural sugar. I'm running out of my lip scrub that I'm using, so I decided to go ahead and buy this box because this was also in here. So this is a box that I was really excited about. And I lose lip balms a lot, so I'm always down to try new ones. Oh, okay, so I didn't know this was actually Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. I've been wanting to try their stuff for a while now. Well, I mean, their lip balm. I've tried their body wash and stuff. It's different. I'll give you guys a review on that eventually. So, I'm really excited to try this. Again, please ignore my nails. Can't focus on what it says. But it's all natural. Avocado oil, jojoba seed oil. Sorry, jojoba? Is it jojoba? I'm Latino, so I automatically say jojoba. And peppermint oil and hemp seed oil. All organic. This is a very good company. I read a lot about Dr. Bronner's. Like I said, I tried some of their all-in-one body wash, hair wash, whatever you want to call it. There was supposed to be one more thing in this box, and it's not, so I'm a little bit confused by that. But anyway, this is Bold Matte Lip Balm in color I Am Confident. Kind of like a dark reddish brown sort of color. It smells good though. It's by brand Milani. It smells like vanilla, so I like this. Yeah, I swear there's supposed to be something else in here. We have a cooling gel lip mask. So that's interesting. I don't know if it's reusable, but I think it looks cool, so I'll definitely give this one a try. To cool mask, place in refrigerator for 1 hour or in the freezer. So use your favorite lip scrub, moisturize, and then put this on top. So I don't know. Maybe this is reusable. You can sanitize it and then just put it in the fridge. And yeah, okay. I'm assuming that's reusable. And here's a moisturizing lip mask. Instantly hydrates and defines lips. 100% natural. Burt's Bees, again, I really love their stuff. I have a face wash by them, some other products, and I just love the fact that they care about nature, they care about the environment, they care about the world. Not many people these days do that. that's a whole nother story. So, that is this one. I'm totally interested to use this. Let me see. Okay, maybe I was wrong. No. So, is there a missing item? 100% yes, there is. So here's the Burt's Bees, the little gel thing, Milani lipstick, Burt's Bees lip balm. I'm sorry, Dr. Bronner's chapstick lip balm, Burt's Bees lip shimmer, St. Ives lip scrub. You get a little $3 off coupon. You're supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in here, and I am missing one. I'm really upset about that. So I'm missing my Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss. Kind of sad, so I'll reach out to Target about this because I actually really love that product. I had one and I was hoping for it being in a different color, especially because it's $7. I had a coupon to get these beauty boxes, which are usually $7 a month, which I think is way better than Ipsy, honestly. Look at this stuff, even though I'm missing one thing. So better than Ipsy. I do have the BoxyCharm. Sorry. I have a cold. I get colds a lot. But yeah, I'm just kind of upset. So I do get the BoxyCharm, but I'm about to cancel that. And I might just get these every once in a while. Because I think you get really nice things. And this is actually all full-size products. These are all full-size. Well, except for this. I don't think that is. So that's it for this one. Again, this is the Target beauty box. Really upset though. How can they miss a whole entire product in here? I mean, yeah, I'm going to reach out to them for it. Alright guys, I'll be uploading this soon. Oh, and you can tag us at Target Beauty and Target Beauty Box. Yeah, I'll definitely tag them when I post this. I have a bunch more videos that I plan on doing. I just have to get around to doing them. So I'm about to do these other two now. You know, you're going to get a bunch of things with my I'm just so bothered by it. With my, can't believe it's missing. Okay, well, that's my nice bed. That's my, yeah, I'm an adult that has a child's kind of blanket with a raccoon. I like raccoons. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and don't comment about my nails being a hot mess. I know they are. Bye bye.